Good morning, children. Today we will do the optional exercise 15.2 of chapter 15. So I am reading question number 1. Two customers, Shyam and Ekta, are visiting a particular shop in the same week from Tuesday to Saturday. Each is equally likely to visit a shop on any day as on another day. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on number 1, the same day, number 2, consecutive days, and number 3, different days? So suppose Shyam is visiting the shop on these days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Ekta on these days. So if I try to make the chart of the possible outcomes of all these days, so total number of possible outcomes are coming 25. You can see in the chart. Therefore, in first part, the number of outcomes having the same days are Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. That means there are 5 outcomes. So, probability of them visiting the shop on the same day will be 5 upon 25, which is 1 upon 5. Now, second part, the number of outcomes having the consecutive days will be these: Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, and so on. So these are 8 outcomes. So probability of them visiting the shop on consecutive days will be 8 upon 25. Third part, probability of them visiting on different days will be 1 minus probability of them visiting the same day, which will be 1 minus 1 upon 5, which is coming 4 upon 5. Now let's do question number 3. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, determine the number of blue balls in the bag. So we are given the number of red balls is equal to 5. Let the number of blue balls be equal to x. Therefore, total number of possible outcomes will be 5 plus x. Here I have written the formula of probability. So, probability of getting a blue ball will be x upon 5 plus x. Let this be equation number 1. And probability of getting a red ball will be 5 upon 5 plus x. Let this be equation number 2. Now, according to the problem, probability of getting a blue ball is double of probability of getting a red ball. Therefore, x upon 5 plus x is equal to 2 into 5 upon 5 plus x, putting the values from equation 1 and 2. So, 5 plus x and 5 plus x get cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 10, and therefore number of blue balls is equal to 10, which is the answer. Question number 4. A box contains 12 balls, out of which eggs are black. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? If 6 more black balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Find x. So, the total number of balls in the box is 12 and number of black balls is x. Then I have written again the formula of probability. So, probability of getting a black ball is x upon 12. Now, if 6 more black balls are added in the box, the number of black balls becomes x plus 6 and total number of balls become 12 plus 6, which is 18. So now the probability of drawing a black ball becomes x plus 6 upon 18, and this new probability is twice of the original probability. So x plus 6 upon 18 is equal to 2 into x upon 12, which on solving gives us x is equal to 3. Now question number 5. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and other are blue. If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 upon 3. Find the number of blue balls in the jar. So total number of marbles in the jar is 24. Let the number of green marbles be equal to x. Therefore, the number of blue marbles will become 24 minus x. Again, I have written the formula of probability. So, probability of getting a green marble will be x upon 24, which according to the problem is equal to 2 upon 3. On solving it, we get x is equal to 16. Therefore, number of green marbles in the jar is 16 and number of blue marbles in the jar is 24 minus 16, that is 8, which is the answer.